Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am making a very refreshing agua fresca from red fruits. And I know that you guys are going to love it and enjoy it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have strawberry, raspberries, a beet, limes, a pinch of salt, regular granulated sugar, and filtered water. This is everything we need to make this delicious agua fresca at home. So let's get started. My friends, I'm going to start with my sugar. I'm adding my sugar to my saucepan. I'm adding just a little bit of water just to cover the sugar because I am ready to start making my simple syrups. Let's go to the stove. My stove is on and I'm going to start making my simple syrup. My friends, I am ready to make my simple syrup. As you could see, the water is white. It's kind of white. It's because the sugar has not dissolved completely. I'm going to go ahead and just be mixing it until the sugar dissolves completely. We want this simple syrup. The reason that I make the simple syrup is that so we do not add too much sugar to our aguas frescas. If you add to a agua fresca granulated sugar, you will end up adding more sugar than you should. That's why I like to make my simple syrup first before I start with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to be mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes until the water is a little bit yellow and the sugar has dissolved completely. So I'll see you in a little bit, my friends. My friends, I want to show you that my simple syrup is nice and done. I'm going to turn off my stove and I'm just going to remove it from the heat so it can start cooling down. I want to start by washing my fruits. I'm starting with my raspberries. I'm just going to run them through very cold water and rinse them out really nicely. I'm going to put them aside. I'm going to start cleaning my strawberries, washing them one by one, very nice. And I'm going to be cleaning my beets. You know, the beet usually comes with a little bit of dirt. Just make sure that everything is nice and washed. Here, I'm going to start with my raspberry. I'm just going to smash them really nicely, really smashed, because the raspberries, we're going to put them in the agua fresca whole, the way they are right now, nice and mushy. This is done. I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to continue with my strawberries. The strawberries, I'm only taking the little stem off, just like this, one by one, and then I'm ready to add it to my cup of blender. I'm going to add it to my blender, every single strawberry, and I'm going to continue with my beet. Before I continue with my beet, I'm going to put some gloves on because I don't want my hands to get nice and red for a couple of days, of course. And I'm going to start just taking the outer skin off of the beet. I want to show you how this looks. All the skin, I have removed it completely. I'm going to cut it in 4 pieces and then I'm going to add it to my blender. I'm added here to my blender. I'm going to take my glove off and I'm going to add it here, and I'm going to add some water. We want to make sure and add water so it will be nice and blended and everything incorporates completely. Look at this. This fresh water comes out so delicious and so refreshing. I know that once you try, you're going to continue doing this delicious. I'm going to blend it for just a couple minutes. Look at this. Look how bright and red it is. Okay, I want to show you the texture. It's a little bit thick, just slightly thick, but what we're going to do, we're going to put it in a strainer and we're going to strain all the juices completely. We're going to be mixing until we remove all the liquids. and you're gonna see all the little seeds of the strawberries and the little tissue of the beet. But this is the part we do not want to add to our agua fresca. I'm gonna remove it. Now I am ready to add my raspberries to this mixture. I'm gonna add it, and I'm gonna mix it just a little bit to incorporate the raspberries. I'm gonna add my simple syrup. I'm adding 1 cup of simple syrup. And we're gonna mix it very, very well, just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the water. It's 1.5 quarts of liquids in total. Here I have my limes, and they are organic from my yard. I have the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt, you're gonna be thinking, why a pinch salt? Because the salt will bring up all those flavors of the lime, of the raspberries, strawberries, and beet. My limes do not have any seeds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the juice directly to the agua fresca that I have here, to all the mixture. Just make sure if your limes or lemons have seeds, make sure that you put them through a sifter, okay? Here, what I'm gonna do is just mix completely, very well, until everything incorporates, and I'm gonna go ahead and taste it to see if this is good or if I need to add a little bit of simple syrup. To my tasting, this is fine. My friends, I wanted to show you from close up how my water looks. Look at this. Look at all the berries. Look at this, my friends. I wanted to show you this part. Look how delicious this looks. Nice and red. Of course, it has a lot of antioxidants for our bodies, vitamins, of course. And why not make this delicious agua fresca for our families to enjoy, especially that the hot weather is already coming. It's right next around the corner, and we want to enjoy something delicious, healthy, and made at home. Look at this. Okay, I am ready to start making my pitcher, so I'll see you in a bit. I have my pincher here, and I'm going to add all the ice. We want to make sure and add enough ice so the water is nice and cold, nice and refreshing. This water comes out so delicious and so refreshing, my friends. You guys are going to love it. And the color is so gorgeous, nice and red. I don't know if the camera really takes the color, but it's so amazing. It's so beautiful and so red. I am ready for my presentations. I can't wait. With my agua fresca of red fruits. Look at this. Look how beautiful, and the red looks so vibrant. This is just amazing. This is the part I love, I enjoy, is tasting my recipes. Let's see how this agua fresca came out, especially with all the little pieces of raspberry. Excuse me. This water is perfect for summertime. Perfect and, of course, healthy. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy with your family. Have your kids help you make this delicious agua fresca at home. Thank you so much for watching my videos, from start to end, for giving me your time. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria? Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my agua fresca of red fruits. Bye-bye.